Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the new Fesco gas station that recently opened in Ocho Rios. And also we're going to give you an update on the plaza that's under construction beside the gas station. Now we're on the Ocho Rios bypass. We are in Ocho Rios and we're heading towards the gas station and the mall. Now guys, I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think of the gas stations in Jamaica? The new gas stations that are being built and the ones that are renovated. You're going to see this one in a little bit. But I think Jamaica has first world quality gas stations. So guys, if you were to compare the gas stations in Jamaica to those in the US, Canada, England, how would they measure up? Leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. Now, I think Jamaica has some gas stations that are even nicer than the ones you will find in those countries. Very modern looking, state-of-the-art facilities. We just passed the Ocho Rios Mall on the right. We'll give you a tour of that facility in another video. Now this is the gas station. It's a Fesco. And Fesco is one of the fastest growing gas station chains in Jamaica. Very nice facility. When you drive in here, if you were to just see this picture alone, you would think you're looking at a gas station in the US. And then that's the plaza that they built beside it. Very nicely done. The plaza actually looks like it's finished. It's just for the occupants to move in. And straight ahead where you see that wall, you can park and you have a very nice view of the bay, the sea. This is a plaza, very nice plaza. And that's actually Bird Shack fried chicken that for this one here. And they're up and running, they're open. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know how these gas stations in Jamaica measure up against the ones in first world countries or more developed countries. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.